With BeFunky's design templates, you can have many different options for adding and customizing graphics. Any graphic that's already included in our pre-designed templates is customizable. You'll notice that anytime you click on a graphic properties toolbar appears. You can use it to change the color of the graphic, blend mode, opacity, and more. You'll find all the graphics you need to put the finishing touches on your designs by clicking the Design Elements tab in the menu on the left. You can either click the Computer button to upload graphics or logos stored on your computer, or click the Search Graphics button to search hundreds of customizable vector graphics and icons to choose from. Either type in a search term or search by popular tags. Just click on any graphics you like, and you'll find your selections under your graphics. Drag and drop them onto your template to start customizing. Use the Graphic Properties toolbar to change the color overlay, adjust the opacity, blend mode, and more. Use the Duplicate button to create a copy of any graphic. And notice that anytime you're rearranging the elements on your template, snap lines appear to help you perfectly position them.